Thank you for watching the Purdue Owls vidcast on seeking support while writing. In this vidcast, we'll identify sources of writing support and talk about how to access that support. So first, what are some good sources of writing support? As we review these options, remember that each writer has different processes and different needs, so you may need to try a variety or a combination of resources. The sources of writing support we'll highlight today include writing groups, consultants at local and/or institutional writing centers, writing workshops, online resources, editors for hire, and practical life support. One source of writing support is writing groups. Writing groups are beneficial because they provide accountability, a built-in source of writing feedback, social interaction, and of course, support from your peers. When starting a writing group, we recommend you frame each writing session through SMART goals, an acronym first developed by corporate management specialist George Duran in the 1980s. Your group can collaboratively develop SMART goals, that is, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals, that drive your writing sessions. SMART goals help create more productive writing sessions by taking amorphous goals, like work on my dissertation, to something more attainable, like outline the methods and materials section of my dissertation for 45 minutes. Finally, if you're unaware of any existing writing groups in your area, consider starting your own. As you develop your own writing group, there are a few things you'll need to consider. For example, what will you focus on? When, how often, and how long will you meet? Will the group be in person or virtual? Who will lead the group? Who will be in the group? Will attendees share a disciplinary background? Will everyone be composing in the same genre, like a scholarly article? And finally, will you give feedback to each other? If so, how? Writing centers are another great source of writing support. Sessions with writing center consultants offer focused, one-on-one consultations on your writing or current project. Consultants offer assistance on any writing task at any stage of the writing process, and this resource is often free and readily accessible to a university's students, staff, and faculty. To get a session, seek out your local institution's writing center on the university website and discover how to make an appointment. Then, choose an appointment format that works for your availability and needs. Many writing centers offer in-person sessions and online formats, including live video chats with consultants or asynchronous e-tutoring options. When making your appointment, provide information about your writing task and writing needs. Finally, show up to your session, whether you're attending in person, logging into an online meeting, or submitting your document for remote feedback. There are countless free, accessible, and trustworthy writing resources online. Universities often publish writing resources and tips on their websites. For example, the Purdue Owl is a comprehensive writing resource guide, and other university writing centers post excellent writing resources too. Some universities also house task-specific writing resources. The University of Manchester's Academic Phrase Bank is a tool writers can use to integrate outside scholarship. It identifies common phrases in academic literature writers can use as frames for their own writing. Citation management systems like Zotero, EndNote, and Mendeley are free tools researchers can use to store and organize articles and other literature. These tools also produce accurate citations for bibliographies. That said, the Purdue citation is only as good as the information your citation management system possesses, so make sure the entries on the literature you save are complete. In other words, they should include information like authors' names, article titles, journal edition and issue numbers, date of publication, and more, dependent on the genre and citation style you use. Writing workshops are another source of support. Watch for opportunities to attend these workshops. The Purdue Owls on-campus unit hosts several recurring workshop series and collaborates with other on-campus units to co-develop workshops that meet specific student needs. Look for similar opportunities at your institution. They may be hosted by your writing center or other departments, such as the thesis or dissertation office, the library, or the graduate school. If you're looking for focused proofreading and have the resources, you could hire an editor. Freelance editors are available for hire online, and some university departments may keep a running list of editors for hire in your community. As always, do your research. Before paying for editorial services, make sure you're working with a reader and reviewer you can trust. Finally, it's important to recognize that we're not just students, professionals, or writers. We're people first, and we all have individual needs. Doing what we can to provide for these needs is going to be an individual process, but seeking other sources of support where we can will ultimately help us defend and protect our writing time. If you don't know what you need or where to start, the Purdue Owl's website includes a weekly goals sheet or a life map that will help you break down your days hour by hour. Evaluate this hour-by-hour breakdown to identify opportunities in your schedule for writing, and then reevaluate for recurring activities where seeking additional support could help you create more opportunities for writing. Check out the rest of our videos for more information about support while writing, like staying productive or preparing for different writing tasks. You can also find more information about graduate writing on the Purdue Owl website. Thanks for watching!